Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on gold, I mean, we are very, very clearly in an uptrend. If this right here really is the end of a pullback, which it definitely looks like it is, then this is very likely going to go up and make new all-time highs again. Now, there is a chance that it turns into a more complex pattern, like three waves down, three waves up, and then does something like that. That definitely is possible. And if that does happen, the market will prove that to us by making a nice engulfing move to the downside. So until we see a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely don't think there's any reason to do anything except for looking for logs on sort of time frames, expecting something like this to happen. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looking for logs. I am not a short time frame trader. As you can see, I don't even have the short time frames on my chart. But this right here is going down now, and it's probably not over. It's probably going to end up doing something like this. If you are a very, very short time frame trader, you could be looking for shorts until the correction is over. But for me personally, I would prefer to just wait for the end of a three-way pullback, wait for a nice Fibonacci bounce, which it could possibly go down to like the 50% or the 61%. This top over here could become a bottom of this pullback before it actually continues the uptrend. Either way, for me personally, as more of a swing trader, I'm definitely waiting for a long opportunity. If you're a very, very short time frame trader, you could be looking for shorts, but even as a short time frame trader, I would be very cautious with the shorts. We are in a very strong uptrend on every single higher time frame, and there's no reason why it needs to do anything except for possibly just keep on going up. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.